Prices are going down in the Bay Area. No, wait, some people say the prices are not going down in the Bay Area, so which is it? It's September 2022, and we're going to unpack all the August data for the Bay Area real estate market. I'm Lisa Peck. I'm a full-time realtor with Explore East Bay Homes and Compass, and my office is located in Danville, California. All right, so August numbers came in, and today I'm going to share all of them with you. We're going to talk a little bit about what's going on in the Bay Area real estate market. We're going to break down the hype from the facts. But before I do that, if you're interested in this kind of info, do me a favor. Just hit the like button, subscribe, and notification bell just to let YouTube know and to help the channel. Okay, I'm not going to make you wait until the very end. Everyone always wants to know, what's my home price appreciation? How much house appreciation did I have in the last year? But you got to know, year-over-year home price appreciation is really not the whole story, and it's certainly not actionable. But here it is anyways. The year-over-year median house price appreciation in the Bay Area in August went down 2% when I compare it to last year. Last year, in August 2021, the appreciation was up 18% year over year. But if you want to dig a little deeper than that, if you want to understand the trends, then stick with me. Here's what happened in August. Overall, buyer demand picked up due to a handful of things. One, price reductions. Price reductions in August 2022 were up 117%. This was actually down 12% from a month earlier in July. Two, there were fewer buyers and less competition. This could be due to seasonality, it could be due to kids going back to school, maybe market uncertainty as well. Three, there was an increase in inventory. There's simply more to choose from. The active homes in August 2022 went up 38% since the same time last year, but it actually went down 6% from July of 2022. Four, there was a drop in interest rates. Now couple that with the fear of what could happen in the future for interest rates. This caused a lot of FOMO for future and potential buyers. And then five, there was also a recovery in the stock market. Okay, so let's talk about how the market is actually shifting and what data points tell us not just where we've been, but where we're going. Hey, before I get into that, if you find this helpful, do me a favor and just hit the like button, subscribe, and notification bell. That way you really help out the channel. Okay, so to know where we're heading, we really need to understand the psychology of buyers and sellers. We can tell the psychology is shifting into buyers and sellers accepting our new reality. This is evidenced by data points that define psychology. The leading indicator that tells me how buyers and sellers are actually settling into this new reality is the sale price to original list price. For August 2022, homes sold at 99% of their original list price. In August 2021, this number was more like 111% for the Bay Area. The second data point to tell me where we're heading is pending homes. Pending homes in escrow for August 2022 went down 34% year over year, but they're still up 3% since July. Even though sales were still lower year over year, we noticed a rebound in August from July, while buyers and sellers were still getting their sea legs, a bit like a drunken sailor, if I may, trying to kind of figure out this new market that we're in. So sales, or the number of homes that sold in August 2022, went down 32% year over year, but they actually went up from July of 2022 by 9%. August continued the overall trend that we've been seeing of overbidding plunging while market times are increasing. In August, sellers pulled back, putting their homes on the market. The number of listings still remain low, and past listings are actually taking longer to sell. Also, homes are coming back on the market after a failed escrow. So new listings to market in August went down 22% year over year. While the number of active listings dropped in August after 6 months of increases, historical seasonality of the market probably played its part in this before we get our secondary spike in fall right before the holiday slowdown. As of early September, interest rates have once again increased and stock markets have declined. Both continue to have a significant impact on the volatility of market values in the Bay Area. Advice for buyers: if you've been sitting on the bench, you've been sitting on the sidelines, now's the time to get off the sidelines and really capitalize on the instability in the market and on the seller's fears. If a home has a higher market time, don't worry about it. Sellers are nervous and quite unsure right now, so you may find that you get an even better deal now than you ever imagined. Sellers, I have 2 tips for you. 1, price it right. Price it for today's market, not for yesterday's market. Buyers don't really care about yesterday's prices. While there are still some bargain hunters out there, there's also some very real bona fide buyers that are just out there looking for the right house. 2, make your house shine. Listen to your agent and spend a couple bucks or use the equity in your current home needed to make improvements so that your home will shine. Fall season spike coming. Buyers have so much more to choose from. And if you want to win, you really need to stand out as the better value to serious buyers. I'll continue to monitor the market for both buyers and seller psychology in fall selling season, and I'll report back to you. Be sure to hit the like, subscribe, and notify button so we can let you know when new data comes out.